of the sick is the sacrament given to a given person when
the priest in the process where he anoints the oil, blessed holy oil, on those who are suffering, so that at least in the chances that they may be healed, or in the case that where they die, or if they may pass, then at least they would have died by the blessings of our Almighty Father.
It says there that the person can be anointed when the person is going to die, but not necessarily. The person can be anointed when he or she is under the illness or old age that leads to death. But to me, I think I don't see the significance of anointing the sick, because we are living in modern times and there is medicine which you can rely on and technology. So, and also my mother's prayers that will suffice. So yes.
Sacrament of anointing of sick important for me. I believe it's like being baptized when we're younger. It's like, for instance, when a child, in case of a child passes away, parents would want their child to be baptized, so they won't be left in limbo. Anointing of the sick is like, I just want to be blessed. I don't want to die just that way. I want to be blessed and be sure I died in a good way.
Para sa akin, important siya. Pero sa ngayon, hindi ko pa iniisip yun kasi binibigyan lang doon yung mga malapit na mamatay.
Look at him na nga. 5, 6, 7.
Importance ng sacrament para sa akin is siguro after pumamatay, gagawin ko sa akin na may darating na paano mag-bless sa akin for safe lives. Dahil pumunta ko lang. Tapos siguro relevance as of now, wala pa naman since wala pa naman na-experience. Mga namatay sa tapos wala pa dito naman.
As of the moment, I see no relevance or importance of the sacrament in my life. I have neither died and nor am I planning to die anytime soon. So I guess, parang mas panatag yung loob mo when you're dying na someone out there is praying for you, someone's right there beside you. I don't see the point of the sacrament. Parang pinapakongfort ka lang on the fact that you're dying. I don't really see the importance, but I see how people value it.
Kailangan yung anointing of the sick kasi para rin to sa family ko. Kung ako man mamamatay, syempre parang may blessing na ako na matatanggap. So parang may guidance yung family kung mawala man ako. Yun lang. Alam yung anointing of the sick para sa akin.
Near-death experiences for me, the relevance of sacrament in my life is like, if ever that I really went dead or near to it, just like what I've experienced, probably it's let me giving myself to God, asking for the blessings from the priests or any priest so that it will help me be blessed and my way up to God.
For me, sacrament, para sa akin, hindi siya ganun ka-importante. Pero may pangalan na sinabing sacrament. So it means, nagiging importante siya. Pero kung inihingi ang sacrament para maging blessing, hindi ko kailangan ng sacrament ngayon dahil binibless naman ako ni God. Yun, masaya na ako sa God.